Yes, 6 o'clock. Yes, Mitasha, good evening, and we'll start. Today, only 50%, roughly 50% of you are there. I don't know why. Okay, being Saturday or whatever, but we'll start. We'll not wait for the others. 6 o'clock timing, and we'll start. Okay, good evening, everyone. Let's start. Now, if you remember last lecture, we did this, and this you should remember. If you remember this table, then it's very easy to do calculations or to do solve sums. Okay, I'll go back and I'll start. First is LCM MP price. What does that LCM MP stands for? L for list price, C for catalog price, M for market price, another M is mark price, and P is printed price. All them means one and the same. List price, catalog price, market price, mark price, printed price, one and the same. Then you less the first discount. Which is that discount? Which is the first discount? In short, you say that. Short. In short, you say abbreviation. Yes, trade discount. Less trade discount. What do you get now? After trade discount, what do you get? Give abbreviations. Yes, IP, that is invoice price. Then from invoice price, you less what? Cash discount. Less cash discount. What will you get now? Ab kya milega? NSP, correct. Net selling price. Maybe called as just selling price. Actual name is net selling price. What is the next line? Less. Two more lines are there. Less cost. You may say profit also, but better you take एक ही याद रखो, less cost. Okay, we'll take always less cost. और क्या मिलेगा? Profit. I know this can be cost and profit can be interchange, but I will never interchange. I will always take cost first and then profit. Okay. Now, what is next is trade discount. Here, let me write here. Calculated on. Calc on means calculated on. Trade discount will be calculated on list price. That is catalog price, mark price, market price, printed price. Correct? जो ऊपर वाला होता है ना, उसके ऊपर कैलकुलेट किया जाता है. Cash discount is calculated on invoice price, and profit is calculated on cost. तो समझ में आ गया? Whenever you want to calculate trade discount will be calculated on market price. Cash discount will be calculated on what? Invoice price. And profit will be calculated on cost. जो उसके ऊपर वाली लाइन है उस पे कैलकुलेट किया जाता है. Clear what I am to say? For example, they said list price 5,000. List price 5,000. The second information given, trade discount 10%. That's all, full stop. So 10% on what? 10% on list price. Trade discount is always calculated on list price, catalog price, printed price. Cash discount is calculated on invoice price, and profit is calculated on cost. Is that clear? Rahega yaad? If you remember this, then sum becomes easy. Rahega kya yaad? Will you remember this? And before doing this, we did what is known as commission. Commission is calculated on what? Sale price. Commission is equal to, do you remember that formula? Commission is equal to sales into rate of commission. Similarly, now trade discount will be calculated on what? LCM MP. You know that what is LCM MP? L or C or M or M or P price into rate of trade discount. Then cash discount is calculated on what? Cash discount is calculated on invoice price IP into rate of cash discount. And profit will be calculated on what? Profit किस पे calculate करना है? Profit is calculated on multiplied by rate of profit. What is here? Profit is equal to what I should write at circle plus? No. Profit is not on NSP. Here. Siddharth not on SP also. NSP, SP is one and the same. Profit will be on cost. Profit का कैलकुलेशन किस पे होगा? कॉस्ट पे. जाके देखो अभी मैं दिखा दो आपको क्या बोला है. प्रॉफिट की इधर से एरो करके क्या बोला है? ये रेड एरो. प्रॉफिट इज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन व्हाट? कॉस्ट. ऊपर वाला जो लाइन है उस पे कैलकुलेट होता है. प्रॉफिट इज ऑलवेज हियर इन मैथ्स प्रॉफिट इज ऑलवेज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन कॉस्ट. Cash discount is always calculated on invoice price. Trade discount is always calculated on list price. And commission is calculated on sales. 4 line याद रहेगा. Commission is calculated on sales. Trade discount on list price, that is market price, that is catalog price, that is mark price, that is printed price. Cash discount is always calculated on invoice price, and profit is always calculated on cost. Okay, let's continue there. This extra sums we have done. Now your textbook sum, exercise 1.1, page number 5, question number 11. Okay, Swatantrata distributors allowed 15% discount on list price. Dear student, here they are saying 15% discount on list price. Discount on list price means which discount? Trade discount or cash discount? Which discount is given on list price? कौन सा discount list price पे दिया जाता है? Trade discount. So this is nothing else but trade discount. They are not using the word trade discount. What they are using? They are saying 15% discount on list price. List price पे जो discount calculate होता है उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Trade discount. ये मालूम होना चाहिए आपको. This slide for formula. That was temporary screen beta. I'll write afterwards. Or chalo, I'll write. That was temporary screen. It went off. There are 2 types of screen: temporary screen and permanent screen. Okay, I'm writing all. I'm writing once again. You want to copy? I'll write in properly. I'll write first. Let me write all. Then I'll give you time to copy it down. Commission is equal to. Let me write properly. Commission is equal to sales into what you are calculating? Commission. So rate of commission. Okay. Second, trade discount. Trade discount. Trade discount is calculated on what? एक बार आपका एक्सरसाइज हो जाएगा, बाकी कुछ नहीं. Trade discount is calculated on what? Yes. Okay. We'll call it as LP, list price. List price. Okay. Definitely there are 5 different names for this. One can call it as list price, can be called as catalog price, can be called as market price, can be called as mark price, can be called as printed price. One and the same. समझा क्या? Okay, all 5 means one and the same. LCM, MP, yes. All means one and the same. जैसे गणपति होता है, गणपति can be called by so many names. गणपति को आप कितने सारे नाम से बुला सकते हैं? Yes or no? I am Catholic, still I know so many names of Ganpati. You can call him Ganesh, you can call him Lambodar, Prathamesh, Vinayak, Vignaharta. Am I right? But all means what? Ganesh, Ganpati, the same. Right? Yes. Yes, both are here. Don't keep on giving me, I know. Okay? So list price, let me write here list price. Into क्या आएगा? Rate of what? क्या कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं आप लोग? आप क्या कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं? ट्रेड डिस्काउंट. So rate of trade discount. देखो पहले में क्या बोला आपने? कमीशन बोला. फर्स्ट इज कमीशन इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? सेल्स इनटू रेट ऑफ कमीशन. फर्स्ट वर्ड कमीशन, रेट भी किसका? कमीशन का. अब क्या कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं? ट्रेड डिस्काउंट. इसमें भी रेट कौन सा? ट्रेड डिस्काउंट का. ट्रेड डिस्काउंट किस पे कैलकुलेट होगा? वो इंपॉर्टेंट है, लिस्ट प्राइस पे. देन नेक्स्ट थर्ड कौन सा डिस्काउंट आएगा? कैश डिस्काउंट. कैश डिस्काउंट इज इक्वल टू, कैश डिस्काउंट किस पे कैलकुलेट होगा? इनवॉइस प्राइस इनटू इनवॉइस प्राइस इनटू सिंपल. क्या कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं हम लोग? हम लोग कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं कैश डिस्काउंट. तो इनटू व्हाट? रेट ऑफ कैश डिस्काउंट. एंड द लास्ट फोर्थ वन क्या था वो? प्रॉफिट. प्रॉफिट डिस्काउंट नहीं होता है, प्रॉफिट होता है. प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू किस पे कैलकुलेट होगा? प्रॉफिट. अभी भी बात हुई, प्रॉफिट किस पे कैलकुलेट होगा? कॉस्ट पे. तो इट इज कॉस्ट इनटू रेट ऑफ प्रॉफिट. बस चार थे. Does anybody want to take a screenshot? Can take screenshot. Want to write it down and keep. Easy है सब. किस पे कैलकुलेट हो याद रखो? कमीशन इज ऑन सेल्स. ट्रेड डिस्काउंट is on list price, that is market price, that is catalog price, that is printed price, that is mark price. Cash discount always on invoice price. And profit always on cost. Okay. इनटू क्या होता है? रेट ऑफ सो एंड सो. प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं तो रेट ऑफ प्रॉफिट. कैश डिस्काउंट कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं तो रेट ऑफ कैश डिस्काउंट. ट्रेड डिस्काउंट कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं तो रेट ऑफ ट्रेड डिस्काउंट. कमीशन कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं तो रेट ऑफ कमीशन. ओके. पात्र वेलकम ऑलवेज. ओके. Again, this is a temporary screen. Those who want to take down, take it down. Shall I?
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट. प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी एमबीए एंट्रेंस, SYJC कॉम, TYB कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ. चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट. कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें. और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान. इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक. तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी.
Move to the next, no problem. This is temporary screen. This will go off. There are two slides. One is temporary, one is permanent. Temporary slide goes off. Okay, chaliye. Now let's go to the first sum. Swatantrata distributor allows 15% discount on list price. That means trade discount of washing machine, whatever the product. Further, 5% discount for cash payment. Discount for cash payment means which discount? Cash discount. Find the list price of the washing machine if it is sold for the net amount of rupees 38,356.25. आराम से machine is sold. It was sold for so and so net amount. So what is this? इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Sold amount means what? Yes, sold amount means NSP. Dear student, in the corner here, let me write our structure, that formula. What was the first line there? LCM MP, right? Minus TD. TD is trade discount. Okay? Minus trade discount. What will you get now? LCM MP minus trade discount. In short, I'm writing. आगे क्या मिलेगा मेरे को? This should be in your mind. There is no need to write this down. But ये आपके दिमाग में होना चाहिए. IP invoice price less what? Cash discount. क्या मिलेगा मेरे को cash discount के बाद? NSP. Further minus क्या था? Cost. नीचे क्या है? Profit. Now dear student, when you read this sum, जब आपने सम को पढ़ा तो किधर कॉस्ट या प्रॉफिट ऐसा वर्ड आया क्या? पूरे प्रॉब्लम में किधर कॉस्ट या प्रॉफिट आ गया क्या? तीन चीजें दी है. नंबर 1 ट्रेड डिस्काउंट दिया, नंबर 2 कैश डिस्काउंट दिया, एंड थर्ड एनएसपी दिया है. बराबर है? सो दिस पोर्शन इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड हियर. ये पोर्शन की जरूरत नहीं है आपको. यू डोंट रिक्वायर दिस. एग्रीड? अब क्या क्या दिया जरा लिख के रखते हैं. ट्रेड डिस्काउंट कितना दिया है? परसेंट में 15%. So let me write here 15%. Cash discount is given कितना? 5%. Now बचे तीन जन अभी. LCM MP, that is list price, catalog price, market price, mark price, printed price, IP and NSP. Out of this three, which is given? एक देना ही है उनको. Out of this three, they must give you one thing. What is given? NSP. तो NSP पे टिक मारता हूं. मीन्स आई नो दिस. टिक मीन्स आई नो दिस. ओके. सो पहला क्या कैलकुलेट करेंगे? वी नो NSP. तो फर्स्ट विल कैलकुलेट IP, इनवॉइस प्राइस. समझे क्या? फर्स्ट दिस पोर्शन, देन वील सी द फर्दर. फर्स्ट दिस, देन दिस, सेकेंड. आर यू गेटिंग मी? क्या दिया है आपको? What is given in the question? NSP. Hello student, listen, just listen. NSP is given, agreed? And what to find out? क्या ढूंढना है हमको? Find क्या बोला इधर? बोला था सब में. देखा कि आपने सेकेंड लाइन में देखा? देखो, find list price of the washing machine. List price ढूंढने का हमको. बराबर है? But we cannot go and find out list price directly, which is near to NSP. IP नजदीक है, invoice price near है, और list price is near. Who is near? नजदीक कौन है उसको? We know NSP. NSP के लिए नजदीक कौन है? Nearer to NSP. Invoice price. Therefore first क्या करेंगे? Therefore first क्या करना होता है? Invoice price. एक बार invoice price मिल गया, फिर क्या करेंगे? फिर जाएंगे LCM MP पे, that is list price पे जाएंगे. Clear? Our answer will be divided into two parts. First part calculating of invoice price. Second part calculation of list price. Clear? The student clear? Is it clear? Now, what is this formula? First part. This I'm making a box here. What is the equation? What is the equation there? क्या आएगा? Invoice price, INV I am writing. Invoice price. आंसर स्टार्ट हो गया. Invoice price. क्या करेंगे invoice price में आगे? We'll start our equation with invoice price. Invoice price minus invoice price minus what? Which discount? Which discount? Cash discount. Is equal to what? Is equal to what? NSP, that is net selling price. Any doubt with this line? समझा क्या? Net selling price. Any doubt? Any doubt? Now we know cash discount is calculated on what? Cash discount किस पे calculate होता है? Cash discount is calculated on what? Write in brief, invoice price. So can I write this now? Invoice price remains as it is, invoice price minus, instead of writing cash discount, what I can write? Minus invoice price into rate of cash discount. Is equal to net selling price. Any doubt? Is equal to net selling price. क्या किया मैंने? What I did here? Sorry. यार करेंगे मनन. नाउ I'll be assuming x अभी करूंगा मैं. हाँ, you may say invoice price, but before that better you write this. Now I'll say that. Manan, I'm going to say that. Now in our formula we know invoice price, rate of cash discount and net selling price. Do you know invoice price? Do you know invoice price? No, we don't know. Invoice price we don't know. Invoice price